Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fly High with English. Let's learn daily sentences. किती वेळा मी तुला सांगितले आहे? I have told you several times. I have told you several times. तुम्हाला त्या गोष्टीवर चर्चा करण्याची गरज आहे. You need to discuss that matter. You need to discuss that matter. तू नेहमी असंच म्हणतो. That is what you always say. That is what you always say. तुझ्या घड्याळात किती वाजलेत? What is the time by your watch? What is the time by your watch? मी तुला कधी विसरू शकणार नाही. I'll never be able to forget you. I'll never be able to forget you. मी आत्ताच कामातून फ्री झालो आहे. I just got free from work. I just got free from work. तू येणार आहेस ते त्यांना कळाले. They have come to know that you are coming. They have come to know that you are coming. तू सर्वांचा मजाक का उडवितो? Why do you make fun of everyone? Why do you make fun of everyone? ती माझ्या शेजारी राहते. She lives next to me. She lives next to me. तो तुझं काम चुटकीमध्ये करू शकतो. He can get your work done at once. He can get your work done at once. मी माझ्या फॅमिलीपासून खूप लांब राहत आहे. I'm staying very far from my family. I'm staying very far from my family. तुझी तब्येत कशी आहे? How is your health? How is your health? गुंतवणुकीचा लाभ मिळणार की नाही ते फक्त वेळच सांगेल. Only time will tell whether the investment will pay off or not. Only time will tell whether the investment will pay off or not. मोबाईल चार्ज होतोय. Mobile is being charged. Mobile is being charged. ते अजून संपले नाही. It's not over yet. It's not over yet. Like, share and subscribe friends.